In this video, I will show you how you can hide your photos and videos on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now before we start, just make sure you set a lock screen passcode on your Samsung phone. As you can see, we have already set a lock screen pin on our Samsung phone, but if you have not set one yet, just go to Settings. And under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Lock Screen and AOD. From here, just tap on Screen Lock and Biometrics. And on this page, just select the screen lock method which you prefer. As you can see, I have already enabled the PIN, but you can select any of the other options. Now after you set the lock screen passcode on your Samsung phone, now the next step is just go to your home screen and open the Gallery app. And from here, just tap and hold on the photo or video which you want to hide. Now after that, just tap on More at the bottom of the screen. From this pop-up menu, just select Move to Private Album and select Move. And after you do that, you will hide the selected photos and videos from the Gallery app of your Samsung phone. Now to find the photos and videos which we have hidden, just tap on Menu over here. Then after that, just select Private Album. Now just enter your lock screen PIN. Now after that, you will find all the photos and videos which we have hidden. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.